Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. EThekwini Municipality played host to Operation Sukumasake District Development Model Cabinet Day, which demonstrated government's commitment to integrated service delivery and collaborative governance. The focus was on Henry Bona and Archie Gumede zones, which cover 11 wards. The city announced the successful energizing of the new KE Masinga 132 kV major substation, making a major step forward in adopting advanced technologies, improving network resilience, and ensuring a reliable electricity supply. The city welcomed global home improvement retailer Leroy Merlin's announcement of its first KwaZulu-Natal store at a sword-turning ceremony on the site of the brand's first expansion outside Gauteng, bringing in an investment of 220 million rands. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.